Good evening. This is All India Radio Kohima. I'm Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. COVID vaccination of children between 15 and 18 years began today. Nagaland rolls out vaccination campaign for 15 to 18 years in the state. Health Minister S Pangnyu Phom appeals all eligible beneficiaries to get vaccinated. 1,700 cases of Omicron variant of COVID-19 reported in the country. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi to visit Manipur and Tripura tomorrow to inaugurate and lay foundation stone of several projects. As India marches towards administering 150 crore vaccine doses against COVID-19, news about a new corona variant is a cause for concern. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated and help others, including children between 15 and 18 years, get vaccinated as nationwide COVID-19 vaccination of teenagers is underway now. Please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and State Helpline number 18003450019. And now the news in detail. COVID-19 vaccination for children in the age group of 15 to 18 years has begun all over the country. The vaccine option for children is only Covaxin for less than 18 years. Union Health Ministry has said that all those whose birth is 2004 or before will be eligible for all vaccines, including Covishield. For 15 to 17 years, born in 2005 to 2007, eligible only for Covaxin. About 8 lakh beneficiaries in the age group of 15 to 18 have registered on the Kohima portal for vaccination. Joining the rest of the country, Nagaland has rolled out the COVID-19 vaccination for age group of 15 to 18 years from today. Health Minister S Pangnyu Phom officially launched the vaccination drive from District Hospital, Dimapur. Mulung Nam, a 17-year-old boy, became the first to get Covaxin vaccine in the state. Pangnyu said the state has received 143,000 doses of vaccine, which will be distributed to all the districts of Nagaland. The minister also appealed to all the eligible registered beneficiaries to come forward and take the vaccination. On the occasion, Minister Pangnyu gave the provisional vaccine certificates to the first 4 beneficiaries under 15 to 18 years age group who received the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine. Meanwhile, the registration for vaccination can be done either online or walk-in. Besides Aadhaar and other national identity cards, children can use their school IT cards for registration. A total of 1,700 cases of Omicron variant of COVID-19 have been reported so far in the country. Out of these cases, 639 patients have already recovered. Maharashtra topped the count with 510 Omicron cases, followed by Delhi with 351 cases. Omicron cases have been reported from 23 states and union territories. More than 145 crore, 68 lakh COVID-19 vaccine doses have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. India reported over 33,750 new cases during the last 24 hours. India's active caseload stands at 1,45,582. Active cases account for less than 1% of the total cases, and it is currently at 0.42%. The ministry said the recovery rate is currently at 98.20%. Nagaland today reported 4 new cases of COVID-19 positive, along with 3 recovered cases. Dimapur recorded 3 new cases, while 1 in Kohima, and the 3 recoveries were reported from Dimapur. With this, the total confirmed caseload rose to 33,206 and 30,373 people have recovered so far. The recovery rate in the state is registered at 91.46%, while the positivity rate is 0.58%. Active cases in the state at present is 60. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on News on Air app and YouTube channel AIR News Kohima. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Manipur and Tripura tomorrow. He will inaugurate and lay the foundation stone of 22 developmental projects worth over 4,800 crore rupees in Imphal. In Manipur, Modi will inaugurate 13 projects worth around 1,850 crore rupees and lay the foundation stone of 9 projects worth around 2,950 crore rupees. In Agartala, the Prime Minister will inaugurate the new integrated terminal building at Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport, built at a cost of about 450 crore rupees, and will also launch 2 key development initiatives. Supreme Court has decided to shift to the virtual system of hearings for 2 weeks from today, in view of the rising COVID-19 cases and concern over the Omicron variant. In a statement issued yesterday, the Supreme Court administration said all hearings from today will be through virtual mode only for a period of 2 weeks. The top court had resumed the physical hearing of cases from October last year. The apex court had been hearing cases through video conferences since March 2020 in the wake of the pandemic. World Health Organization WHO chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus has said that COVID-19 pandemic will end in 2022. In his message, the WHO chief said, while no country is out of the woods from the pandemic, we have many new tools to prevent and treat COVID-19. Highlighting that COVID-19 is not the only health threat the world's people will face this year, Tedros said that millions of people have missed out on routine vaccination, services for family planning, treatment for communicable and non-communicable diseases. The WHO chief further stated that to help prepare the world for future epidemics and pandemics, WHO established BioHub system for countries to share novel biological materials. Minister of Higher Education and Tribal Affairs, Temchen Imna Along, inspected the construction work of Longchem High School under his constituency, 30 Alungtaki, today in the presence of Chapukong Kagetsa Telungchem office bearers and the village elders. Taking to Twitter, Along exuded confidence that with its rapid pace of work, the construction will complete in no time and give the students a better environment to pursue their education. He expressed gratitude to all the members involved in the project for their keen interest and concern for the construction of the school. He also inspected the ongoing construction of amphitheatre at Longchem headquarters. Earlier, the minister interacted with the members of Nokpu Village Council and discussed several issues related to community development and also to promote self-reliance in the village. Nagaland is gearing up to host the first ever international athletic event, the South Asian Athletic Federation Cross Country Championships, on January 15th. Besides this, the 56th National Cross Country Championships is clubbed with the South Asian Athletic Federation Cross Country Championships. The event will take place at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Kohima. As a run-up preparation for the upcoming event, Advisor to Chief Minister, Nagaland, and Associate Vice President, Athletics Federation of India, Apu Mehta, today visited the venues and appreciated all the various departments and agencies working round the clock during the festive season. He also met and interacted with the athletes who will be representing Nagaland at the forthcoming championship and conveyed best wishes to the athletes. And now 20 News, here are the main points again. COVID vaccination of children between 15 and 18 years began today. Nagaland rolls out vaccination campaign for 15 to 18 years in the state. Health Minister S Pangnyu Phom appeals all eligible beneficiaries to get vaccinated. 1,700 cases of Omicron variant of COVID-19 reported in the country. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi to visit Manipur and Tripura tomorrow to inaugurate and lay foundation stone of several projects. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.